As 500 years ago, it was believed that several tons of weight cannot fly in air. But now we know that a plane can fly with the thousands of weight, and it was also believed that thousands of bulbs and fans cannot be turned off or on with a single button, but now it is possible. According to the theory of relativity given by Einstein, he said that when a body moves with the speed of light, so the time will stop for it. It means so this equation shows that a body can fly with the speed of light. So the equation given by the Einstein, so which relates the time and speed of light, tells us about the happening of Miraj. Miraj Sharif is a strange miracle of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. On the night of Miraj, the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam traveled so much distance that this will take a millions of years to travel. So in this video, we will prove scientifically that it is possible that a physical body can fly with the speed of light. So in this video, we will relate the Miraj Sharif and science, that how science can prove the Miraj. And we will show that Miraj Sharif is possible or not. And we will also discuss the speed at which the system of the world is running. Miraj, the pious journey of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So this journey can be divided into three parts. That from Masjid Haram to Baitul Muqaddas, and then from Baitul Muqaddas to Sidratul Muntaha, and then Sidratul Muntaha to Kaaba Qausain, where the Holy Prophet ﷺ looked at his Lord with the eyes of his head. And there was a distance equal to two balls or less than that. In this whole journey, the rides were different. Burak, the stairs of light on the wings of Hazrat Jibreel, and Raf. The Burak slides was as long as the human eye could see. How far a human eye can see? According to the astrology, the human has 578 megapixel eye. That is flat, no garden, no tree, no building. Then a naked human eye can see for thousands of miles. And in the dark for 30 miles, a burning candle can be seen. And if the night is black, no clouds at all, we see the stars and the sky. Actually, this is Andromeda galaxy, which is 2.6 million light year away from us. This is the perfection of humanity. And our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he is the beloved Prophet of Allah. What glory will he have? Just as the Quran cannot be challenged, similarly, the event of Miraj cannot be challenged till the end of this world. James Webb Telescope, which is millions of kilometers away from us, and it is peering into the universe, and it has made several observations for us. So according to us, the standard time is hours, minutes, and seconds. No, the time has been divided into nanoseconds. Even the time has been divided into zeptoseconds, and we have black time. The computers of the world are working at this time. Look at Google, there are 99,000 searches in 1 second, and in the whole day, there are 805 billion searches. And how quickly this is done. On the night of Miraj, the Holy Prophet ﷺ saw his Lord with the eyes of his head. So, when the Holy Prophet ﷺ came back, the bed was still warm. The water with which the Holy Prophet ﷺ performed ablution was still moving, and the branches with which the Imam Sharif had hit was still shaking. And how quickly this is done. What is the glory of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? It is not possible for the human intellect to think about it. So remember that the Miraj Sharif was definitely physical. According to the Quran, Subhanallazi asra bi-abdihi means not the soil, but over here the physical body is being discussed. Even if you accept that the Miraj Sharif was spiritual, then the non-Muslims should not react it so much. And we know that by the grace of Holy Prophet ﷺ, Allah Almighty granted the spiritual mirage to the pious ummas of Holy Prophet ﷺ. But over here, we are discussing that the mirage was physical. That's why the non-Muslims reacted so much. So on the night of Miraj, the believers are very happy that Allah Almighty has given such a high position to the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And Allah Almighty gave all the things to the Holy Prophet ﷺ, but the best gift of prayers was given that night. So celebrate and worship well this night.